purchased that dress and 2 pairs of pants from Banana Republic at thrifting prices.
Good evening. And yes, I did say good evening. Good evening. I'm here to share with you a follow-up to a video that I did maybe about a month ago. The video was in reference to saving. And if you haven't watched that video, I will place it right above in the cards so you will have access to it. I'm going to show you 3 items that I purchased from the Banana Republic. And at the end of the video, it will be revealed to you how much these items cost total and how much I paid for it. So just keep watching. It's going to be revealed. Yes, you saw it correctly. Yes, you saw it correctly. I purchased that dress and 2 pairs of pants from Banana Republic for $7. Just $7. Now let me tell you how we did it. My husband and I have been using our Banana Republic Visa card pretty much just to purchase gasoline for our cars. And each month, we pay whatever we have charged to that card. So then that means we don't get charged any interest. In addition to that, Banana Republic offers rewards. And as a result of the rewards, I was able to get these 3 items for the price that you just saw. Yes, I purchased that dress and 2 pairs of pants from Banana Republic at thrifting prices. I purchased it for $7. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And I'm realizing His blessings every day.